What's up, Indian coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Indian coin. What's going on in this time in an Indian coin? You know what? It is time the situation is going crazy because the 1 hour price trend is positive and the next hour price trend is negative. 1 day price trend is positive. The previous 1 day price trend is negative. So, sometime fast down, sometime jump. At this time, the situation is going crazy. The people are so confused that what should we do in this critical situation. Don't worry, I will tell you the solution after this issue, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please, my friends, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video. At this time, the price of the Indian coin is 1.28 USD dollar. 1.28 USD dollar is the latest price of the Indian coin. Other side, if you look the pricing is of the Indian coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is occurring in the Indian coin is negative. The previous change is negative and the latest change is positive, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Indian coin. You can see here, my friends, you can see here. Now that's clear that in the previous time the price take a jump, but after some passage of jump, the 3 days jump, the price is again fast. So again they recover his fast. Now at this time again take a jump, and after a jump the price will again fast down. That is my prediction. But anyways, if you look the average change is occurring in the Indian coin, so the average change is positive. That's why I'm very happy. Positive 6.48% at this time. The latest pricing is positive. That's why I'm feeling good. And if the pricing is positive, so that's mean that you are in the profit. That is why I recommend for all of you that please hold Indian coin. If you hold, you will get profit, and if you don't hold, so nothing you will get, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.